Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing another product review on the What to Do channel. And the situation is I have a loader outside and I was going around trying to grease all the fittings, and there was a lot of fittings on there that were rusted and it just wouldn't take the grease. The grease was just spitting right back out. And on heavy machinery, you need to keep them things greased or it's going to cost you thousands of dollars. But anyway, the reason we're doing this review is I needed to take some of those fittings off, and it looks like maybe the last mechanic had tried taking them off, or somebody, and they're all rounded off and they're rusted and I can't get the grease fittings off. So I went up to Napa and I found this set, which is called, I already started opening it, it's called Gear Wrench. It's an 8-piece extraction socket set. I just started opening it, so I figured I'd do a review on it. But apparently it says, I'll show you, it's a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch. This goes up to a 5/8. All right, and starts with your 1/4 inch. Now it says that it removes rusted and rounded bolts, fasteners. You can use it with power tools, with your hand. Enables reuse of damaged fasteners, 10 times longer impact life, and 5 times greater gripping force, lifetime guarantee. So we are going to put this on those grease fittings and see if it says everything it says that it can do. Hopefully it does, because I got to get this job done. Let's go check it out. Alright, so the fitting that we're messing with here is this one here. Alright, I tried putting grease on it. It's just shooting back out, so I tried to clean it up a little bit. But you can see this is really rusted and rounded. I cannot get this off with a regular socket. So we're going to try to put the gear wrench on there. On this particular one, I'm going to use the 5/16 here. And it doesn't quite slide on there, and it's not supposed to. So I'm going to set it right over top, and then I'm going to get a hammer and I'm just going to tap this on. I don't think I'll be able to do that with one hand holding the camera, so I'm going to set the phone down and I'm going to tap this on to the grease fitting. Alright, I got it on there. It's really tight. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our socket in here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with one hand or not. I'm going to turn. I hope this thing doesn't break inside. Oh man, is it breaking? I can't see if it's actually turning it or not. Oh, yeah, it's definitely coming out. There it is. Whew, I thought that was going to break inside. There it is. Now the fun part's going to be getting that out of this. Now, it's a little bit difficult to get it out of there, and it's supposed to be that way. I have bigger ones like this I use for the road service, and they're not supposed to come out because the teeth inside of these actually dig in to that bolt or the nut, and that's what allows it to turn it off. So we're going to have to put this in a vise. And we're probably just going to get a small screwdriver, stick it through here, and then we're going to tap down on it, which will in return pop that out. But that definitely worked. I spent about 45 minutes with different sockets and things out there trying to get this off. And I ran to Napa, bought the gear wrench kit, and 2 minutes came right off. So I don't know anybody at Gear Wrench, and I know the people at Napa because I see them when I go in there to buy parts, but I'm not doing this video for anybody. I just like to do honest reviews for people that need tools that are going to work. So this is the set. It's the gear wrench. It's what does it say? A gear wrench bolt biter 8-piece extraction set. I definitely recommend it, and go get it at any Napa. They may have it at, you know, Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone, wherever, but I definitely recommend the product. And hit subscribe below, guys. Give me a like, and I'll see you next time.